Wow, this is surreal. Look at this. Hope you guys have a great day. Can I get up here? Oh yeah, look at that view. Beautiful. That view right there. That's pretty cool. Wow, trippy, man. This is trippy. All right, we're gonna go around to the back side of this, then I'll end this clip. It's just gonna be a long little video of me walking around. This is crazy. Whoa. Okay. Whew, wet. Wow, this is surreal. Look at this. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys have a great day.